What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete phone number on Snapchat. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Snapchat application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just tap on your Bitmoji. Once you're there, just head over to the settings option by clicking the settings icon on the upper right corner. And here, as you can see, I haven't added my phone number in here yet. If you have added your phone number, you just need to clear it out, change the country code, and then log out from here. And once you log back again, there will be no phone number right here. So yeah, this is how you can delete your Snapchat phone number. And if that doesn't work, you can always go to the help center and ask for your help so that you can delete your phone number from your Snapchat account. And yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.